Welcome back to Easy Reviews, and today we're going to be showing you the five what we recommend for the five best subwoofers in 2022 for your TVs and your soundbars or other type of speakers. So our first entry in this list, the fifth entry in this list, is Boss Bass Model 700 Black Wireless. You can choose any colors you want. So it has a premium glass top finish. It is very elegant, and it is big but not that big, and has a wireless connection, or you can connect to the cable, and a powerful bass. So this is a very good sounding subwoofer from a very trusted company. It's not that big and it looks really good. So it is a very good option for people that really like that. So instead of the model 700, now we're looking at the model 500 in our first spot in this list. Designed to be paired with both soundbar 500, or it's designed to be paired with that one, but you can use it as alone. Was crafted from premium materials and measuring only 10 times 10 times 10 inches for easy inconspicuous space management. So it is very more compact than the last one by a couple inches. It sounds mostly better, even though it was made to be paired with a specific soundbar. It is a very good subwoofer. So in our third spot, we have the Polk Audio PSW 10 inches powered subwoofer. It's a power subwoofer for extra bass and punch. It has louder and clearer sound even at high volume. Easy to integrate with existing systems, which is very important, and I will tell you why in a second. And it has a sleek detachable grill on the front speaker and line level inputs, as well as speaker level outputs on the back, meaning that it's very easy to use, and it is very easy to integrate into our already set up sound system. And that's very important because, let's say, excuse me as an example, I have a lot of cables in my house, and if I want to switch something from my audio setup, so another subwoofer that isn't as integral as this, me putting in my system, is going to be very hard. So this one is actually very easy to integrate with existing systems, and it sounds really good, like every single soundbar in this list. I mean, subwoofer in this list. So you should definitely look into this option. So in our second spot in this list, we have the Klipsch Reference R10S-W 10 inches 300 W powered subwoofer. It has a powerful 10-inch copper spun front firing woofer, equally impressive with music and movies. Low pass crossover and phase control dimensions. So it has a 14 high, 2.5 width, and 15.7 diameter inches. Line/LFE input for compatibility with most receivers, and it has a audio amplifier 300 watts for dynamic power. So you're going to, as we already said, it is going to be very integrable with already established audio systems. Audio setups. It is bigger than most of the other entities in this list, and that's because it sounds better, and it sounds better with different genres of what you're hearing. Let's say music, movies, or just normal videos. It has an all digital amplifier, meaning that of 300 watts of dynamic power, meaning it may be consumed a lot, but it's going to, at the end, it's going to be either hear better with its powerful 10-inch copper spun front firing woofer. So if you're looking for a very false sounding subwoofer, I will look in our second spot in this list. So in the first spot, we have the Klipsch R100SW 10-inch subwoofer. So this 10-inch front fire spun copper IMG woofer has an all digital amplifier with 300 watts peak power, with amplifier features, let's say volume, low pass, 180 phase, or audio power on. Its dimensions are 14.5 times 2.5 times 16.4 inches. and a frequency response of 30 to 120 hertz. So this is basically all the other what our second spots did, but much better sounding, and a little bit higher. I mean, bigger, with its same audio amplifier, just that instead of a front firing woofer, that IMG woofer, which is going to be much better, and that is why we put it in our first spot in this list. So that is everything for this subwoofer list, and as every video I am going to recommend you to look to every single spot in this list and see what suits you better, and all links to every single product are in the description below if you want to buy them or when you just look at them. So they're in the description below for you to use. As always, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.